So you're very wise in the sense of a lot of women don't even know they're in abusive relationships.
Exactly.
Obviously, on a whole continuum, there's a subtle control and power, and then right through to the physical violence that occur.
Yes.
And as a psychotherapist, I often see women come in who are anxious or depressed, and one of the questions I'll ask them is, "What's your relationship like?" And initially they'll say fine,
And
because often they're very embarrassed and ashamed that they're in that sort of relationship.
Obviously, it's not something that you want to admit to yourself, let alone to other people. And most of the time, the women will diminish every single warning signs.
Yes.
They will explain all of them. They will say, "Yeah, but he's stressed. He just lost his job. He's great with the kids. He's, it's finding excuses, and it's quite a normal process because you do love that man. You married him or you're with him.
Absolutely.
So, and sometimes they are great guys and great dads and everything. They just don't realize that their behavior, it's not them who are monsters, I believe. It's their behavior who's unacceptable, and they need to acknowledge that.